Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Xiaomi 13T Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen like here, and all we have to do right now is to enter the settings. If you cannot find them, no worries, three dots icon and they will appear somewhere here. So let's enter the settings and tap on languages. Here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which we can choose. So as you can see, this list is pretty impressive. Of course, you can tap on the search icon and enter the name of the language. You don't have to scroll down just like I'm doing right now. And after finding your language, simply tap on it. Let's pick the region just by tapping, and here we've got keyboard layouts, and the amount of them depends on the language. So sometimes you will have only one keyboard layout, and sometimes you will be able to pick from up to 7 different keyboard layouts. So all you have to do in order to apply the layout is to tap on it. You have to mark it and, for example, untick this option. Of course, if you want, you can apply both or all of the layouts, but I don't really think that it is necessary. So let me untick this option. I will use only this keyboard. So let's tap on done. And as you can see, we've got the language added to this list. And here in this step, whenever you want to leave only one language applied, you can remove the English one. For example, just by tapping on this edit icon in the right upper corner, mark the language, and then tap on the trash bin icon. You will have only Urdu, of course, in my case, only this language left, which means that you will successfully change the language. I don't want to do it right now. I will do it later on because I'd like to show you how it looks like whenever you've got 2 languages added. So now we can go back to the keyboard as we had the English and Urdu applied, and we have 2 differences in the keyboard. So first of all, which is visible currently, is the globe icon, which will allow us to change a language. So it acts just like a language key. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. And here we can see also the second difference, the spacebar. It's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard and how to cope with 2 or 3 languages added. And as I said, we can also remove the language, so we will have only one, which is, for example, different than the system one. Simply tap on the languages, tap on the edit icon, and I would like to remove Urdu. So let me mark it and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see, we've got only English left, so after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, so we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.